Hello students, hope all is well from your side. Today we will continue our topic of trigonometry functions. In our previous class, we have learned about degree measure and radian measure. And in this class, we will discuss about relationship between degree and radian. See, we know that since a circle subtends at the center an angle whose radian measure is 2 pi and its degree measure is 360 degree. So it means what? It means that 2 pi is equals to 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian is equals to 360 degree. Why? Because a circle subtends at the center of an angle whose radian measure is 2 pi and its degree measure is 360 degree. So we can say that 2 pi radian is equals to 360 degree. Okay, now see, so we can write pi is equals to how much? Pi radian is equals to how much? 180 degree. Okay, so this relation enables us to express a radian measure in terms of degree measure and a degree measure in terms of radian measure using what? Approximate value of pi. And we know that the value of pi is how much? The value of pi is 22 by 7. Okay, so we can write 1 radian is equals to 180 degree by pi, and after calculating we got the value 57 degree 16 minute approx, or you can say approximately. Okay, so here we can write also 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radian, and this becomes 0.01746. Okay, this is also this much approx. Okay, so here we see that 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi and 1 degree is equals to how much? Pi by 180 degree. Now see, the relation between degree measure and radian measure of some common angles are, see here, we can say that we can write degree. Suppose just you take here degree. So degree, suppose 30 degree, okay, 45 degree, 60 degree, and so on like that. So in radian terms, how we will write this? In radian terms, we will write 30 degree as pi by 6, 45 degree as pi by 4, then 60 degree as what? Pi by 3. Similarly, we can write here 90 degree. 90 degree, all of us say very quickly, pi by 2. Okay, similarly, we can write 180 degree. So 180 degree, we know how much? Pi 270 degree. This is 3 pi by 2. Okay, 360 degree. So 360 degree, we know how much? 2 pi. So we can write in that way also. This degree measure and this in terms of radian measure. Okay. As we know that angles are measured either in degree or in radians. So we can say that we adopt the convention that whenever we write angle theta, we mean the angle whose degree measure is theta. Okay, whose degree measure is how much? Whose degree measure is theta. Okay, and whenever we write angle beta, we mean the angle whose radian measure is beta. Okay, well, we are writing, this is a way of writing. So we can say that an angle is expressed in, we can say that an angle is expressed in radians. An angle is expressed in radians. Okay, we can say that an angle is expressed in radians. Okay, and the word radian is frequently used, and we know that pi is equals to how much? 180 degree. So, and pi by 4 is how much? 45 degree. So we can say that here that radian measure. So we can say that radian measure is equals to how much? Pi by 180 into degree measure. This you have to remember. Degree measure. Okay, radian measure is equals to pi by 180 into degree measure, and degree measure is equals to how much? Degree measure is equals to how much? 180 by pi into radian measure. Okay, is this clear? So we can say that here that since angles are measured either in degree or in radians, so whenever we write angle theta, we mean the angle whose degree measure is theta, and whenever we write angle beta, we mean the angle whose radian measure is beta. Okay, an angle is expressed in radians. Is that okay? So, and we are writing pi is equals to 180 degree, and pi by 4 is equals to how much? 45 degree. So, by using this, we can use the formula. Now we understand how we to write in radian measure and degree measure. So radian measure is equals to pi by 180 into degree measure, and degree measure is equals to 180 by pi into radian measure. And in our next class, we will solve numericals related to it. Okay, so this much for this class, and rest in the next class. Till then, have a good day.